I would fight anybody that said anything about me. It wasn't until my homeroom teacher told me that he was going to beat my ass if I got into another fight that I was like, hold up, I got to do something different, you know. And so I started fighting more so with my mouth, the power in my tongue or in my head. I started my fight then that way instead of the physical fighting. And even today, I'm still a fighter. I fight for people. If it's some injustice there, or something like that, I fight for it. And that was one of the reasons why I changed my name. When I looked up the meaning of Katrina and what it meant, it really didn't have a spiritual meaning for me. And in the Bible, they would name people according to the characteristics that they wanted them to show or have. And a lot of times when we name our children, we just go out here and what sounds good, Mercedes, or what is that, and every time you call your child and they answer to that, that becomes who they are. And so when I changed my name, that's what that was for, because I am one. Masiya can also be pronounced Messiah. So I am the Messiah of my life. I create my life. And so me doing the things that I am doing is creating the life that I want to have, the desires that I want. So not being, when somebody call me, you calling me what I am. I am the creator of my life. I am a person that's for justice. I am someone who is fighting, behind the scenes, in front of the scenes, and all of that. So that's what that is. Masiya, it stands for that. Bomoni stands for warrior. Always have been a warrior. So call me who I am, Masiya Bomoni. Someone who is going to fight for justice, a warrior who's going to stand for what it is that I believe in, no matter what. So that's who I am.